Hi everyone. Before you jump into your next talk, here's a quick movement moment to remember and share with your team. When I'm called into a workplace, it's usually because somebody's already in a lot of pain, and poor posture is one of the biggest reasons. It's usually a posture that feels very normal and natural, but it's actually putting your body under a lot of pressure. So this first quick movement break and posture reset is really important. Let me introduce you to the roll, reset, relax. And by doing this, roll, reset, relax, regularly throughout the day, you can reduce that upper back pain, neck pain and shoulder pain by 50% just by making this a regular daily habit. So, very simply, do this with me. Push your shoulders up as hard as you can and back as hard as you can and down as hard as you can and forward as hard as you can. Now, big rotations back and forward. Who's hearing a nice crunch and crackle? And then you take a deep breath and consciously relax, keeping both shoulders nice and level and your arms relaxed. Now this movement needs to be practiced throughout the day, and as I say, when you introduce it to your team as a regular habit, it can reduce that upper back pain, headaches and neck discomfort by 50% just by making the roll, reset, relax your habit. And make sure you pick up the little info card that will be going around so you can get the QR codes to download the reminders and connect with me personally.